Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Creative Space. The person with me needs no introduction. The legendary, the one and only, very good looking Mr. Ajinkya Dev. Thank you Ajinkya ji for doing this for my channel and welcome to Creative Space.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Neha.
Yeah. And I also would like to take this opportunity to thank Bini ji, Binay for Basu for making us meet and we could do this podcast. So thank you, Bini ji. Yeah. So
Yeah, perfect.
in this podcast I think अजिंक्य जी आपण बोलूया एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री बद्दल आणि ALD बद्दल तुमच्या शाळेबद्दल मला बोलायचंय. सो
ALD, ALD, yeah, Academy of
येस
Learning and Development.
येस 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 त्याच्याबद्दल आपण बोलूया. सो फर्स्टली विल यू लाईक टू शेअर एनी करंट आणि अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट तुमचे जे कुठले चालू असतील इफ यू लाईक टू शेअर.
Yeah, there are lots. म्हणजे आता माझ्या जवळपास एक 5 मराठी फिल्म्स are ready to go this year आणि they are all superb films with fantastic songs and storyline with Shruti Marathe, Tejashri Pradhan and Manasi Kulkarni, Bhushan Pradhan. So a big team and a big cast shot all in London in UK. आणि ब्युटिफुल सॉंग्स बेसिकली आय से असामी अशिमी जो माझा पिक्चर येणार आहे दॅट्स गॉट फॅन्टॅस्टिक सॉंग्स आणि इट्स अ लवली लव्ह स्टोरी सो इट इज फॅन्टॅस्टिक टू डू लव्ह स्टोरीज अगेन नाव सो विथ सम लिटल ग्रे हेअर बट या फॉलिंग इन लव्ह इज ऑलवेज देर इज इट्स युनिव्हर्सल यू कॅन डू इट एनी टाइम
या
आणि देर इज थ्री बिग हिंदी फिल्म्स कमिंग अप which are one is Farhan Akhtar's film. The other one is a mega film, which is I mean Ramayana, which is going to be a big one for me. And again, there is another film which I'm doing with Neetu Singh Kapoor, madam. Uh, kind of opposite her, but it's a beautiful film again. So that's called Thank You, Mr. Khanna. And that so I'm having a spate of releases in the coming year. So it's going to be looking forward to this year.
Amazing, amazing. How was it working with Ranbir Kapoor for Ramayan?
Fantastic. It was fantastic. म्हणजे a great see काय आहे ना you can make out people coming from a legacy. The Kapoors have always had a fantastic legacy and very humble, down to earth people. They have so I had no problems. It was and I my dad had worked so much with his father and my mother also, so they had a great rapport themselves. And I also incidentally shared some nice time with Rishiji in those days, and it was fantastic. A super person, a super host, and a fantastic human being.
Yeah.
But it was a very good pleasure working with Ranbir because that was my first time. आणि जेव्हा आम्ही पहिल्यांदा भेटलो तेव्हा असं वाटलंच नाही की आम्ही पहिल्यांदा भेटतो. It's a very big role that I'm playing as well. त्यामुळे खूप छान. It was fantastic working with him and the team.
या आणि तुमचं घरात गणपती वॉज सुपर्ब मूवी सुपर्ब
Yeah,
म्हणजे
it really is.
या इट इज व्हेरी रिफ्रेशिंग आणि असं बिग स्क्रीन वरती बघून सो कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन फॉर दॅट फिल्म आय वॉन्टेड टू से दॅट.
Thank you very much.
या
And it also got selected for Indian Film International Film Festival of India, and even my director Navjot got the best debut director award. So it was in on the whole that film really did good for everybody.
या एकदम रिफ्रेशिंग मूवी होता सो मस्त
Yeah,
मजा
yeah,
आली. या आता दॅट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडस्ट्री अजिंक्यजी तुमचं इतका वास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स आहे स्टील एनिथिंग दॅट यू थिंक की अजून काहीतरी चेंजेस घडायला हव्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये दॅट यू थिंक की इट कॅन बी फॉर द बेटरमेंट एनिथिंग दॅट यू थिंक
no. You're talking about the industry overall, or you're talking about Marathi particularly?
ओव्हरऑल
See,
इंडस्ट्री यू कॅन शेअर.
overall the industry is booming right now. म्हणजे काही गोष्टींना आता करेक्शन यायला लागलेलं आहे. द मेजर पार्ट being the costs related to the biggies in the film industry. So what has happened is for producers, it becomes a big burden when you are casting a huge star. So the ratio of cost to receivables sometimes becomes completely disproportionate. सो बट दॅट करेक्शन इज कमिंग इन हिंदी. बेसिकली हिंदीमध्ये हा मोठा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. मराठीत काही फारसा हा प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये, कारण मराठी चित्रपटच एका स्टिप्युलेटेड बजेटमध्येच बनतात. अर्थात देर इज नो सेट बजेट फॉर इट, पण अजून ऑडियन्स काही केल्या म्हणजे अगदी माझ्या बाबांपासून मी ते म्हणतायत आणि आता मीही म्हणतो तेच, की एकतर आमच्या इंडस्ट्रीला डिस्ट्रीब्युशन नेटवर्क नाहीये फारसं. So you have to depend upon independent distributors to distribute the films and then get them to the theaters. But sometimes it becomes difficult to get theaters. Sometimes it's theater मिळाली तरी timing correct मिळायला त्रास होतो. So there are a number of factors which need to be corrected, but that is something which I guess in totality all people should get together and see that this can be done. You know, it sometimes really feels sad that Maharashtraमध्ये Marathi being the primary language, Bollywood steals the show, which is fair enough. No complaints about it. But Marathi industry was superb once upon a time. दादासाहेब फाळकेंनी ही इंडस्ट्री सुरू केली and he was a Maharashtrian. But somehow then because of the the uh, the multicultural background of city of Mumbai म्हणा किंवा the state of Maharashtra, of course Bollywood became big and they deserve. They have really done some great work. And Marathi also has done superb work. मराठीमध्ये पण खूप छान छान चित्रपट आले आहेत, आधी आले, आता येत आहेत आणि पुढे येणार आहेत. सो आय थिंक गुड टाइम्स आर अराउंड द कॉर्नर.
ओके.
थिएटरमध्ये फक्त ऑडियन्सनी थिएटरमध्ये येऊन चित्रपट पाहायला पाहिजे, हे एवढंच माझं म्हणणं आहे, की ओटीटी साठी वाट बघू नका. ओटीटीवर तो येईलच इव्हेंच्युअली, परंतु थिएटर पर्यंत पोहोचा, बिकॉज वी हॅव पुट आवर हार्ट अँड सोल इन टू इट. वी लाईक टू सी यू ऑल इन द थिएटर ॲज वेल.
हो, नक्कीच नक्कीच. आणि तो इम्पॅक्ट वेगळा असतो थिएटरमध्ये बघायचा मूवी, आणि ती मजा वेगळी असते.
ऍब्सोल्युटली ऍब्सोल्युटली.
या आता अजिंक्यजी, एखादा चॅलेंजिंग रोल तुम्हाला कुठला करायला आवडेल का, विच यू हॅव नॉट डन इन द पास्ट, आणि तुम्हाला, किंवा एक बायोपिक इफ यू वुड लाईक टू प्ले, असं काही आहे का तुमच्या मनात?
इन्सिडेंटली बायोपिक्स बाय माय गॉड्स ग्रेस, म्हणजे अर्थात सर्जा वॉज नॉट अ बायोपिक, बट तो एक काल्पनिक घटना होती, परंतु शिवाजी महाराजांच्या काळातला एका डोंबाऱ्याचा त्यांच्याकडनं घोडा आणि कडा मिळवण्याचा अट्टहास आणि त्यांनी केलेलं साहस. त्यानंतर मला माझ्या नशिबात वासुदेव बळवंत फडकेंचं बायोपिक करण्यात आलं, विच वॉज ऑल्सो व्हेरी वेल एक्सेप्टेड, आणि तो दॅट वॉज फॅन्टॅस्टिक. टू बी व्हेरी ऑनेस्ट, आय लाईक टू प्ले मल्टिपल काइंड ऑफ रोल्स. आणि आत्ता जे माझे चित्रपट येत आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये मला खूप वाव आहे. म्हणजे एकीकडे आय एम डुईंग रोमॅन्स, एकीकडे इट्स अ सायकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर, एकीकडे आय एम प्लेइंग a man who's lost because he has he's in, so he kind of falls in love with his psychologist and he doesn't know how to tell her what to do. Plus there is this film which is fantastic, and so I'm getting a multiple color of films. Farhan's film is again a fantastic role, and it's a true story. That's a biopic, I will say, but I'm not playing of course I am playing a part of the film which is a biopic.
Yeah.
Which I'm playing a very major role. That character, which is a true story. So, so it is like I'm feeling blessed that I'm getting these kind of roles and that kind of adulation from the audiences. And so yeah, so what I would like to do is, I don't know, maybe a superhero.
Yeah.
I might like to play a superhero. That's pending. So.
Yeah.
मराठीमध्ये सुपर हिरो यायला हवा.
तुम्हीच करू शकता. विथ पर्सनॅलिटी तुम्ही तो छान करू शकता.
आता हे आय एम ॲब्सोल्युटली हंबल्ड व्हेन यू से दिस. पण काय आहे की समहाव आय फील दॅट कुठेतरी मराठी ऑडियन्स हा म्हणजे I don't want to say anything this thing, but
एक्सेप्टन्स हवा. मी म्हणते बिंग अ मराठी, तेवढा एक्सेप्टन्स हवा.
करेक्ट, एक्सेप्टन्स हवा. कारण नसताना आपण अजूनही कुठेतरी स्वतःला वी आर नॉट दोज काइंड ऑफ पंजाबी, जसे पंजाबी सो आपल्यात जर एखादा असं एकदम असं कोणतरी उभं राहिलं तर दे फील की अरे नो नो नो, not our types. So something odd. I don't know what it is, but of course that doesn't really matter. आता 150 चित्रपट झाले माझे
हो
आतापर्यंत.
हो
So Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, and English. So putting all that together, I think I have received a lot of love and blessings from my parents.
डेफिनेटली. ओके, आता एक मजेशीर प्रश्न विचारते. इफ यू वुड गेट अ चान्स टू डाइन विथ अ हिस्टॉरिक फिगर और अ लेजेंड, whom would you like to dine with and what would you ask that person?
Historic, as in back in history, back in time.
Anyone. बिफोर, हा म्हणजे आधीचे झालेले कोणी असतील किंवा आता जर तुम्ही कोणाला, तुम्हाला एक लेजेंडला तुम्हाला भेटता आलं तर, किंवा एक हिस्टॉरिक फिगरला भेटता आलं तर.
Huh, interesting. I don't know. म्हणजे त्यांना काय विचारेन मला कल्पना नाहीये. I have seen history being created and recreated as we move. And historical figures have been there at a time when there was a need for them to be there. And this includes everybody. म्हणजे right from historical figures like today's Bollywood मध्ये म्हटलं तर Dilip Kumar Sahab in his times, Raj Kapoor, Dev Anand. Times have created historical figures. So historical figures have not come out of just out of the fact that they came out of the womb of the mother and became historical figures.
Yeah.
Time has created all of them. I have always been fascinated by Rana Pratap. I have always been fascinated with the likes of, I mean, शिवाजी महाराज तर सगळ्यांचंच दैवत आहे, परंतु ह्या सगळ्यांनी जे म्हणजे यांना कधी कधी एकच प्रश्न विचारायचा वाटतो की what drove them towards what they became. It's a very strong sense of wanting to do something for your nation. Was it only for your nation, or was it for your own pride, or was it for, but you created history. You made the times change. You changed the time. So these guys have been legends who have changed times. Dilip Kumar changed the style of acting.
Yeah.
Dev Anand was a style of acting in his own self. Rana Pratap during his time was a warrior of huge valor. So आणि महाराज, शिवाजी महाराजांनी तर आपला देश आणि आपल्या महाराष्ट्राला जे काही आपला दैवतच आहे ते, तेव्हा या लोकांमध्ये ह्याच्यात हे कशाने बनले होते, म्हणजे ह्यांना हाच एक प्रश्न आणि ज्याचं उत्तर मलाही सापडत नाही की डिड the times make them, or were they the ones who made time happen? So it is a very difficult question to answer, and I would love to know it if at all I get the chance to meet any of them. Okay, how did it happen? They changed
I
time, or time made them? I don't know.
Yeah, very well said. And against all odds, ते
Against
झालं
all
ते
odds.
झाले.
Against all odds. Absolutely. Against completely all odds. आणि then going back, see, आता कसं होणार आहे की माणसं चेंज होतात. वेळ जसा जसा पुढे जातो, आजपासून 100 वर्षानंतर, who knows, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan might be one of the greatest gods or demigods that happened around in this century.
Yeah.
So people will perceive differently. I have been lucky to work with Amitabh Ji, and I've been very lucky to have been very close to him at times because my father and mother were very close to him. So time will only tell who stays back in history and who is forgotten in time.
Yeah, true. Very well said. Okay. आता या सेगमेंटचा लास्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी, व्हॉट ऍडवाइस वुड यू लाईक टू गिव्ह द यंगर ऍक्टर्स दॅट यू सी नाव डेज? म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळत असेल की इकडे हे चुकतायत किंवा इथे दिस चेंज शुड कम इन देम, असं काही तुम्हाला वाटतं का त्यांना सांगावं असं, यंगर ऍक्टर्स फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, एनिथिंग?
सी व्हॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड माहिती, आता जो मोठा आणि सर्वात मोठा चेंज चित्रपटसृष्टीत किंवा फॉर दॅट मॅटर इन द एंटायर इंडस्ट्री, हिंदी, मराठी, बॉलिवूड, हॉलिवूड, एव्हरीथिंग, Mollywood, all, is the social media. Social media has changed the dynamics of the industry.
Yeah.
आणि कसं तर आज sadly enough, I'm saying this once again, casting is being done on the basis of followers that you carry.
Yeah.
which is a most ridiculous thing. आणि तिथे talent is completely sidetracked. As just to generate eyeballs, एक लोकांचं असं मत झालेलं आहे, म्हणजे निर्मात्यांचं म्हणा किंवा कास्टिंग एजन्सीज, बेसिकली आता कास्टिंग एजन्सीज प्ले अ बिग रोल. कारण पूर्वी इट वॉज नॉट द कास्टिंग एजन्सीज. पूर्वी द प्रोड्युसर वुड सिलेक्ट, म्हणजे ही हॅड his assistants who would go out and they roles were written for actors. We were chosen before the film was written, or rather as soon as it was being written. आता तसं नाही राहिलेलं. आणि आता कास्टिंग एजन्सीज तुमचे लाईक्स आणि तुम्हाला फॉलोअर्स किती आहेत या बेसिसवर तुमचे ऑडिशन्स घेतात आणि त्या बेसिसवर त्यांना कास्ट केलं जातं. Leave aside the stars. I'm not talking about the stars. I'm talking about the young actors. The young actors who are struggling right now, who want to be there. आणि त्या कारणाने these all actors are trying to create stupidity on internet, or on, for that matter, on the social media, to get eyeballs, to get followers, and in the bargain they are losing themselves. So the loss to the industry is that हे जे जनरेशन नवीन आलेले काही वगळता, यांना खरंच कलेचं कितपत ज्ञान आहे म्हणा, किंवा खरोखरच किती स्ट्रगल लागतो ह्याची कल्पना आहे. त्यांना फक्त एवढंच वाटतं की आज मला 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स आहेत, आय एम गोना गेट कास्ट. आय वुड लाईक टू टेल दीज पीपल अँड टू नॉट एज्युकेट देम, कारण हे सगळेच फार एज्युकेटेड लोक आहेत. मी एवढंच म्हणेन की दॅट्स नॉट द क्रायटेरिया. Firstly, be a good human being. Secondly, be a good actor. Thirdly, try and bag good characters and good roles. Go for it. Go all out. Don't run behind getting followers on internet, because that is a pure mirage, which is there now, and it's second time you're there, it's gone. आणि त्याच्यामुळे डिप्रेशन्स खूप होत आहेत, आणि there are a lot of things which we read on the papers, which is sad that is happening in the society, which I don't even say that it's only in the film industry. It's happening around. You don't need to get somebody to endorse how good or bad you are. You have to believe in yourself. The day you lose your motivation, you can't make it. So get motivated from within. Don't try to create a different you just to get more followers or more likes or more, because that is not going to take you far. तुम्हाला एक पिक्चर, 2 पिक्चर मिळतील, पण to sustain that, I mean, I'm not bragging about it. There have been people, my father and mother did more than 300 films. I'm close to them by 150, म्हणजे I'm still halfway down the track. But आजच्या कलाकारांना हा सस्टेनन्स नाही आहे, कारण every day things are changing. So to be there and to really make a mark, you have to use the social media to your favor. Don't let the social media use you.
पण तशी मजा पण येत नाही त्यांना बघताना. इफ ती स्किल नसेल ना ऍक्टिंगची, की देन यू कम्पेअर. वी हॅव सीन ग्रेट ऍक्टिंग राईट ऑन स्क्रीन. मग ते आय अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट युअर सेइंग, मग ती मजा नाही येत त्या मूवीला.
आणि काय होतं की तुम्हाला जो सोशल मीडिया मधनं एक्सेप्टन्स मिळतो, तो त्या काहीतरी तुम्ही जे whatever you have done on that social media, you have danced, or you have done some mimicry, or you have acted, or you have created some reels and blah blah blah. But when you really get into a role, you don't know how to carry that role further and make a presence felt, where the audience, you can hold the screen. And that is what film is all about. I mean, film is not as easy as just doing a social media dance. आणि त्याचा सिरियसनेस कुठेतरी कमी होतं बिकॉज ऑफ द सोशल मीडिया, असं मला वाटतंय. द यूथ इज टेकिंग इट सिंपली, अरे यार मेरे को डांस करना आता है, I can act. That's not acting.
Yeah, true. I agree to that. Okay, now I would like to talk to you on your ALD, म्हणजे Academy of Learning and Development, तुमची जी शाळा आहे फॉर स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन, त्याच्याबद्दल मला जाणून घ्यायला आवडेल. So we all know that why you have started that, and तुमच्या मागे त्याचं नोबल why ते आहे ते. पण तुम्हाला त्याच्याबद्दल जर, if you would like to share a brief about that, please.
Yeah. I mean, I am open, and I'm absolutely open about it. I am a most privileged father of a child who's special. I consider myself extremely lucky, and I consider not just me and my wife, both of us, or rather our entire their family feels that we are lucky to have my daughter Danaya. Uh, she taught us to live. She has created the father within me. Though my son is elder to her, my first son is my Arya. आता तो direction मध्ये आलाय स्वतःही. आणि so she has taught us a way of life. She has been responsible for making us responsible fathers, mother, kaka, kaki, aji, azoba. So she is the apple of our eye. And what she has taught us, I can't tell you all. I'm considering myself to be very, 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 very lucky and proud to be a father of her. Secondly, I'm very happy that my wife, she is the one who made Tanu from what my Janmala आल्यानंतर she couldn't even turn on her, she couldn't even turn, पालथी पडत नव्हती. आणि तिला क्रॉलिंग वगैरे तर फार लांबची गोष्ट होती. From there to Atta, if you see her, she is a most
Yeah.
beautiful child on earth. आणि she's a 25-year-old girl now, and she can run, she can communicate, she can dance, she does everything. I mean, of course, with some assistance, but yeah, so I am extremely proud, and I would like to tell people, if anybody is seeing me who has got a child like that, please do not feel that you are, why you or why me. It is because you can do it, and because God has faith in you, and that's why he has given you a child whom you can take care of. I used to always wonder, I was an odd man out when I used to be in school also, की I had such broad shoulders. आणि मला तेच कधी कधी असं वाटायचं की बाकी सगळे असे आणि मी असा ब्रॉड, आणि ठीक आहे आम्ही 96 कोळी आहोत, आम्ही राजपूत आहोत. But I used to always wonder. But then now I came to know that I have responsibilities to take, and that God created me before because he knew that this all is going to be my future. So it is all designed. I believe totally in the fact that life doesn't happen by the day. It is designed. It is all designed, and it will come to where it is going to go.
Yeah.
Destination is definite. So because of her, आम्ही अर्थात ही शाळा चालू केली. I would like to thank the then श्री उद्धवजी ठाकरे, त्यांनी आम्हाला ही जागा दिली, ती BMC building, आणि they have been very, very close to us, plus very, I mean, they saw the vision that I had for my school, rather my wife had. And my wife did a lot of courses in America, आणि तीही आता तिकडे she's teaching over there as well. So आमची शाळा is a very different model. It's not a bench and table आणि पुस्तक आणि पेन नाहीये. It has got a totally different way of training the children. आणि अगदी the youngest kid is, I think, 1 year old to 25 is the range. And people have seen benefits, people have seen development happening, and आमची इच्छा आहे की to grow further. Of course, it's a charitable trust we have. It's a trust under which the school is, and we want to grow. We will grow, and I want to make a school which will be a residential school very soon for children with special needs. कारण बऱ्याचशा पेरेंट्सना असं होतं की both of them are working, मग मुलाचं कसं करायचं, मुलीचं. So we also my wife counsels the parents also. So yeah, that's how LD happened.
ओके. म्हणजे मी बघितलं तुमचं वेबसाईट पण मी बघितलं. इट हॅज यू हॅव स्टाफ, म्हणजे यू हॅव टीचिंग फॅकल्टीज, अमेझिंग टीचिंग फॅकल्टीज, म्युझिक शिकवतात, देर आर टीचर्स
डान्स क्लासेस
डान्स.
होतात. Yeah, म्हणजे whatever firstly it is a completely dust free environment that is created in the building. We have completely isolated, it's fully air conditioned, and it's a total 3-storied building. It's a standalone building by itself, the school. It's not just one classroom. It's a whole building. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये बरेच कोर्सेस होतात, बरेचसे लोक trainees, I mean, people come for training from separate faculties from different parts of India. आणि अर्थात in this my wife would be able to explain much more in detail, कारण मी hands on नसतो तिकडे, पण she is the one who's there hands on. आणि yeah, I mean, we want to do a lot more, so
Yeah.
let's see how it
तेच
goes.
तेच मला विचारायचं होतं की व्हॉट आर दी challenges that you faced initially and you overcame that, or what more support do you think you require for running the school? Anything that you would like to
No,
share?
I would say support कसं आहे ना, being a charitable trust which is ATG sanctioned, we are of course open to getting donations, and the benefits go to the donors, the income tax benefits. Plus, initially we had the biggest problem was to get a place to start the school,
Yeah.
and that was solved by, again, thanks to uh, the Uddhav sir. आणि त्यानंतर I think we are looking at now setting up. I mean, though it's a nice plot, so we have made a small garden and all. तर आम्हाला अजून बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी ऍड करायच्या आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. So this equipment which we would like to purchase, that does require. Till now, of course, our school is running completely on self funding. So we have been we have not gone out to get any funding from anywhere. People who come आणि स्वतःहून जर त्यांना करायचं असेल तर most welcome. We haven't gone to anybody for any bit of funding. God has been kind; He has given us enough, and we are doing it for our school. So
Yeah.
it's giving back to the society and for all the children who we can give it to. But yeah, the idea is to start a residential school for which we are going to be looking for a big land piece and do a school. So the idea is big. So होईल त्याच्यासाठी पण I'm sure things will come across आणि let's see. As
Yeah.
this happened, that will also happen.
Yeah. Definitely, definitely. It is really giving back to the society, and I really appreciate that.
मी
Yeah.
थोडासा याच्यात स्वार्थी होऊन असंही म्हणेन की वी आर गिव्हिंग इट बॅक टू द सोसायटी ॲट द सेम टाइम बिकॉज माय डॉटर बिकॉज whether had I not got a daughter like her, would I have done this? I might have, but I'm not too sure. But
Yeah,
because
true.
she came into my life, I could do it for them, and I would like to do more for such children, and my family would like to give as much more as much as we can. So
Yeah,
I'm not
definitely.
a saint. I'm not somebody who's doing great. I started initially for my daughter, and now I would love to do it for many daughters and many sons.
Yeah, how sweet of you, and how nice of you. And Ajinkiji, if somebody would like to join your team as a volunteer, is there a scope for people out there to come?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah.
how?
माझ्या वेबसाईटवर नंबर्स आहेत.
Hmm.
The website that you have checked,
Yes,
if you put it up there
I
on,
will put that.
and
Yeah.
people can call the numbers. I think telephone number पण आहे आमच्या प्रिन्सिपलचा, रिंकू मॅमचा, आणि
Yeah.
कदाचित माझ्या मिसेसचा पण असेल.
Okay.
So they are free to call. We will be responding. They can send mails to us. They can send mails to me also, whatever it is, on my call, wherever. So yeah, we are open to people who want to volunteer, who want to come and join us. Be more the merrier, as we always say. त्यामुळे yeah, अजून जितके येतील तेवढे कमीच आहे.
Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, so anything else, Ajinkyaji, you would like to share on ALD or from the entertainment industry, if anything else, if you'd like to say?
Oh, see, entertainment industry is doing very well for itself. And by God's grace, I'm doing pretty well. Touch wood, things are going well. As far as ALD is concerned, मला फक्त जर या फोरमवर आता जेव्हा तू टाकशील तेव्हा काही पेरेंट्स आले who 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 listen to this podcast, I would only like to say that, guys, firstly, stop blaming yourself for something that was not designed for you, or you feel ki I am responsible. The mothers many times feel ki Arey, because of me, or the fathers might be feeling. Secondly, the most important thing, ki if you have a child first and the second child happens to be a special child, please do not differentiate between the both. Please do not say that the first child is so good and मग हे कसं काय, आणि or rather let that first child know that the other person who's come into your life is his responsibility, and he has to also look at that child as a brother, sister, or whatever it is. This is what I want these parents to understand, की तुम्ही स्वतःला एकतर दोष देऊ नका, देवालाही दोष देऊ नका, कोणालाच दोष देऊ नका, आणि कारण नसताना डिप्रेशन मध्ये जाऊ नका की अरे माझ्या बरोबर असं कसं झालं. नाही नाही नाही, एक विश्वास ठेवा की हे तुमच्या बरोबर झालंय कारण तुमच्यात ती ताकद आहे आणि म्हणून तुम्ही ते करू शकताय. बिलीव्ह इन युअर सेल्फ आणि गो अहेड अँड डू एव्हरीथिंग फॉर द चाइल्ड. डू नॉट डिफरन्शिएट बिटवीन टू चिल्ड्रन. त्याच्यामध्येच रिफ्ट तयार होते आणि माझ्याकडे आलेले पेरेंट्स बरेच आहेत जे म्हणतात की माझ्या मुलाला भयंकर राग येतो याला बघितलं की असं झालंय. आय सेड यू, आय मीन आफ्टर आय डिडंट से दिस, माय वाईफ सेड इट, की तुम्ही तुमच्यात चुकताय कुठेतरी. डू नॉट, they should understand that this is a beautiful child that has come into our family, and give that thought to your child also. Same thing to yourself as well. So what more can I say? I mean, to each one their own, but yeah, a small
Yeah.
piece of advice. Baki industry is going fantastic, and you'll see a lot of me आणि येणाऱ्या 2025 मध्ये. God is great.
Yeah. Looking forward, Ajinkyaji. Amazing.
Yeah.
And thank you so much once again for giving your valuable time from your busy schedule and doing this selflessly for my channel. It means great deal to me. Thank you.
It's fine. I'm happy that you approached, because बऱ्याच वेळेला असं होतं की लोकांना काहीतरी हे अरे अजिंक्यला कसं अप्रोच करायचं. आय एम अप्रोचेबल. I have no qualms about doing it for anybody. It is something you all are doing nice. If I can be a part of it, I am happy. So thank you very much.
So sweet of you. Thank you so much, Ajinkyaji.
Thank you. Thank you.